So this is my short video on the H sound in Spanish. So we're going to look at soft H and its combination with CH, like che. So mostly the H is a soft H. It's almost not, you almost can't hear it when it's said. So if I say the first one and then you have a go at the other ones, and I'll tell you what the answer is. So this first one, I, there is no R, I. It's really, really soft. The H is almost, you almost can't hear it there. The next one, you have a go and then I'll say the answer. So again, that soft H, ahorrar, ahorrar, ahorrar. Okay, right, next one. Habilidades, habilidades. Hamburguesa, hamburguesa. I didn't put the English because I thought that was obvious. Next one. Cohabitar, cohabitar. Hilo, hilo. Herir, herir. Helado, helado. Okay, so this one's the soft H, but when we combine it with C, which is a CH, which is a separate letter, che in Spanish, it does give us a more of a pronounced H sound. So I've given you a few examples on the next slide. So chatear, chatear, so it's a chatear. So you can kind of hear the H sound a little bit more in these ones. Right, you have a go, and then I'll say them afterwards. Chocar, chocar. Chorizo, chorizo. Chaleco, chaleco. Chaqueta, chaqueta. Chuleta, chuleta. Chiste, chiste. Okay, so have a rewind back if you're not sure, and if you've got any questions, just post them at the bottom of the video, or if you see any errors that I've made, then please let me know.